Kali Linux is a specialized operating system designed for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. It's like the ultimate toolkit for those working to keep our digital lives safe. What makes Kali Linux so special? It comes preloaded with a vast array of tools, each with its unique purpose in the cybersecurity world. Imagine having a toolbox where every screwdriver, wrench, and hammer is specifically designed to find and fix vulnerabilities in computer systems. That's essentially what Kali Linux provides for cybersecurity experts. This powerful operating system is built on a Linux foundation, known for its stability and security. Whether you're a seasoned security researcher or just starting your journey into the world of ethical hacking, Kali Linux provides a robust platform for your work. But with great power comes great responsibility. Kali Linux should always be used ethically and legally. In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, Kali Linux stands as a formidable defense. Its significance in cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Think of it as the digital equivalent of a security guard who's always one step ahead of the bad guys. Kali Linux allows security professionals to simulate real-world cyber attacks. By understanding how hackers operate, they can better protect systems and data from falling into the wrong hands. The tools within Kali Linux can be used for penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and security audits. These are essential practices for organizations of all sizes, ensuring that their digital assets are well protected. By using Kali Linux, security experts can identify weaknesses in systems before malicious actors exploit them. It's like reinforcing the locks on your doors before a burglar gets a chance to try them. One of the most powerful phishing tools available within Kali Linux is the Social Engineering Toolkit, often referred to as SET. This tool is specifically designed to craft convincing phishing campaigns that can trick even the most vigilant individuals. Phishing, as you might know, is like casting a line in the water and hoping someone bites. It involves creating fake websites or emails that look legitimate to trick people into giving up sensitive information. SET takes this to the next level by providing a user-friendly interface for crafting highly customized phishing attacks. It's like having a professional-grade fishing rod that makes it easier to catch your target. With SET, attackers can create fake login pages for popular websites, send spear phishing emails, and even launch attacks over the phone. Its versatility is what makes it such a dangerous tool in the wrong hands. Imagine this. You receive an email that appears to be from your bank. It asks you to update your account information by clicking on a provided link. Unbeknownst to you, this email is actually a cleverly disguised phishing attack crafted using SET. The link in the email takes you to a website that looks identical to your bank's login page. You enter your username and password, thinking you're updating your account information, but in reality, you've just handed over your credentials to an attacker. This is just one example of how SET can be used to trick unsuspecting individuals. Its ability to create convincing fake websites and emails makes it a powerful tool for stealing sensitive information. By understanding how SET works, security professionals can educate users about the dangers of phishing and develop strategies to mitigate these threats. Section 5. EvilJinx, the Art of Impersonation. EvilJinx is another potent phishing tool found within the Kali Linux arsenal. It takes phishing to a whole new level by allowing attackers to impersonate legitimate websites with incredible accuracy. Imagine a wolf in sheep's clothing. That's essentially what EvilJinx enables attackers to do in the digital world. It's like creating a perfect replica of a website, making it nearly impossible for users to distinguish the real from the fake. EvilJinx acts as a proxy, sitting between the user and the legitimate website they are trying to access. This allows the attacker to intercept and manipulate traffic, capturing sensitive information like login credentials, credit card details, and more. What makes EvilJinx particularly dangerous is its ability to bypass two-factor authentication, a security measure designed to protect accounts even if passwords are compromised. Section 6. EvilJinx, a real-world scenario. Let's say you're trying to access your social media account while connected to a public Wi-Fi network. Unbeknownst to you, an attacker is using evilJinx to impersonate the social media platform's login page. When you enter your login credentials, evilJinx captures them before forwarding you to the legitimate website. You might not even realize that anything is amiss, as the website appears to function normally. This is just one scenario where evilJinx can be used to steal sensitive information. Its ability to impersonate websites with high fidelity and bypass security measures makes it an incredibly powerful tool in the wrong hands. By understanding how evilJinx works, security professionals can implement countermeasures to protect users from falling victim to these sophisticated phishing attacks. Section 7. GoPhish. Casting a wide net. While SET and evilJinx are powerful tools for targeted phishing attacks, GoPhish excels in launching large-scale phishing campaigns. Think of it as casting a wide net to catch as many unsuspecting victims as possible. GoPhish is an open-source phishing framework that allows attackers to create and launch phishing campaigns with ease. It provides a user-friendly interface for crafting convincing emails, tracking victim interactions, and gathering compromised credentials. Imagine receiving an email that appears to be from a popular online retailer, offering a tempting discount on your next purchase. The email contains a link that takes you to a fake website designed to steal your credit card information. GoPhish allows attackers to create and send thousands of these emails, increasing the likelihood of someone falling victim to the scam. Its ability to track victim interactions provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of phishing campaigns. By understanding how GoPhish works, security professionals can develop strategies to detect and block these large-scale phishing attacks, protecting organizations and individuals from falling prey to these scams. Section 8. The importance of ethical hacking. The tools discussed, SET, evilJinx, and GoPhish, are incredibly powerful and can be extremely dangerous in the wrong hands. However, in the hands of ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals, they become invaluable assets in the fight against cybercrime. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing, involves using these tools to simulate real-world cyber attacks, identifying vulnerabilities in systems before malicious actors can exploit them. It's like having a security guard who can think like a thief, anticipating their moves and reinforcing defenses accordingly. By understanding how these phishing tools work, security professionals can better educate users about the dangers of phishing, develop strategies to mitigate these threats, and ultimately create a safer digital world for everyone. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about the tools and techniques used by cyber criminals, the better equipped we'll be to defend ourselves and our organizations from their malicious activities.